Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the product rule of derivative. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. Now we can apply the formula in here. And that should be like this. This one that is about 8. This one that is about b. So if we apply the formula, that should be like this. So for this one, we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by e to the power of 8. Now if we apply it in here, that should be like this. And the second one, that is about the power rule of derivative. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. So for this one, that should be about 2s to the power of number 2 minus 1. And this one, that is about number 1. And we can simplify like this. Now I will show you how to find this integration. So in this one, I will put about t equals to this one. The next one, I will put about natural log for the both sides. So we have the next one. So this one, that is about capital 8. This one, that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. And the next one, the square root of s, that is about s to the power of 1 over 2. And now we can apply similar in here. So this is about capital 8. This one, that is about capital B. So I will put 1 over 2 go outside. And now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So if we do first derivative of f and t, we have first derivative of t over t. This one, we need to do first derivative of the square root of s multiplied by f and s. Later that, we need to do first derivative of f and s multiplied by the square root of s. So this one, that is about 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This one, that is about 1 over s. And later that, we multiply both sides by t. And t, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here. And now we need to return back to this one. So this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.